What's going on, everyone? Justin Tech here, and today Toby and I are installing the Luxeport iPad wall mount by iPort. iPort sells a ton of different iPad mounts, which I've linked below. We went with this one because this thing's got power over Ethernet, wireless charging, and it will allow us to mount our iPad on the wall and easily take it off. That way we can control our smart home, put it right back on when we're done. Most iPad wall mounts permanently stick your iPads to the wall, so this versatility is a huge plus for walking around and controlling our smart home. Toby, you ready to do this? Let's go. The Luxeport case can be hung on a wall with the wall station or placed on countertops using the base station. Today we're drilling a hole in Toby's kitchen wall to access an Ethernet cord that was placed during construction. This will power the iPad using the iPort Power over Ethernet splitter. This creates a sleek and removable iPad charging interface for our Action Tiles control panel. Before we start, Toby, what are we dealing with?
We're going to put the iPad mount right here. Unfortunately, there is a stud right in the center of the wall, but we're going to go slightly to the right because inside this wall is where I have the Cat 6 cabling coming down that's going to provide power.
We drilled the hole and searched for the Ethernet cable, but there was a small problem. That's not the one you want. All right, Toby, what happened?
Well, this is why you take pictures after you put in the Ethernet cable. Unfortunately, I could not find a photo. When I thought the Ethernet cable was here, it's going through a hole and the end of the cable is on this side.
So the good news, the hole is going where we wanted it to go originally. The bad news is Toby now has a hole in his wall. So we drilled another hole and voila.
That's what's supposed to happen.
We installed the mounting plate and the most important piece, the power over Ethernet splitter, and plugged the USB-C cable into the wall station. Oh yeah, and we patched the hole and painted the wall. Here it is on our very clean wall. Thank you very much. And this thing is great. Really enjoy taking it on and off. It's very sturdy. It takes 2 hands to pull it off with a little bit of force. You can put it portrait mode or landscape, and our Action Tiles is great up here. Take it on and off when we want to go around the house. This versatility and sleek design comes with a premium price tag, but they're currently on sale for what I think is a reasonable price. What do you think about that price point? Is it worth it for you? Let me know in the comments. Also, stay tuned for a video on Action Tiles. I'm gonna be building an entire control panel very soon, so let me know if you have any questions that I can address in that video in the comments as well. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel, click that bell for alerts so you know when my videos drop. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later. Yay!
That's how it's supposed to... No! That's how it's supposed to work!